Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, June the 16th, 2021. We have two puzzles left. Tectonic one with 4 stars and a binary puzzle. Yes. First, we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 2958. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Okay, double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then. Let me see. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare, I think. Yeah, we need to compare. Let me see first. 101. Double 1. Here we have 4 ones in the second row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then do we need to compare? I think we need to compare. Yeah. 3 O's. 1, 2, 3. So I cannot place the O there. The O could be here, could be there. Well, this row and that row, look, with the O here, we have the O there, and there another O. So this O, I cannot place the O here, otherwise we have identical rows, so I cannot place an O here. So this should be a 1. Alright, so double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 4 minutes. Alright, great binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Below here, you have the link for all the PDF files. So print them out and solve it by yourself. Yes. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.